My name is Atharva Beloskar. I study in Activity High School in Mumbai, India, and I'm 15 years old. My cochlear implant has helped me with my studies a lot. I can effectively learn whatever has been taught in school the same day itself, so I don't have to go home and learn it up again.
Academically, he's doing very well in his class. He can interact with the teacher. I can't imagine a life without cochlear implant. Atharva was really excited to have met Bradley today. It is a great job he is doing in India, spreading awareness about hearing impairment as well as about the cochlear implant.
Well, what a great day. It's awesome to see Atharva. What a fantastic kid. He's got a bright future ahead of himself, and it's great to see him in a normal learning environment.